Hey guys, so today we're gonna solve for x and y of system of equations using determinants. So we have an equation of x plus y equals 12 and 6x minus 6y equals 6. So we need to write the coefficient, which is there's an invisible one on it. Just remember, um, here we're gonna need to write each coefficient like this one. The number before the variable, and this one also considered as coefficient. One, 6, and it's gonna be -6. After that, I'm gonna find e, which is means determinant, and it's equals a, b, e, and d. So that's the determinant, and that's the formula of determinant. We just need to multiply a and d and c and b. So we need to minus both of them at the same time, like a times b itself, not itself but b, minus c. Oh, I mean a and d. A and b minus b and c. And the answer is gonna be the determinant then. So let's solve this one using formula of d. So just need to copy 1, 6, 1, -6 is 1, 6, 1, -6. And after that, we need to multiply -6, 1, -6. But it is okay even if it's the opposite. And 1, 6. 1 times 6. Be careful, guys, because this parenthesis means multiplication, and be sure that there's a negative sign or minus between them. So the answer is gonna be -6, -6. So it's gonna be -12. So the answer in our determinant is -12. So how about x and y? So the formula is in that was x. Let's start with x. Formula is that is d on that was dx over d. How about y? The formula in y was y equals yx over d. So we already have d, which is 12, so we're just gonna need to copy both of them. And we still need to figure out the x and yx. So in the bottom or the denominator, we need to write -12. Same as y, which is -12. And for dx, we need to write, oh, let me rewrite this one. For dx, we need to replace this one, a and c, this one, 1 and 6, with 12 and 6. Just gonna be 12, 6. And the 1 negative 6 gonna be remain the same. 1 negative 6. And on dy, we're gonna need to replace 1 negative 6 by 12 over 6 by remaining 1, 6. There, but changing the 1 negative 6 in this time. So it's gonna be 1, 6. So you consider opposite. 12, 6. So we're gonna need to do this determinant formula. So A times D, which A is 12 and D is 6. It's gonna be 12 negative 6 times negative 6. And course minus 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 12 times 6 equals 12 times negative 6 equals negative 72. Negative 6, which is equals negative 6, which is addition, which is gonna be negative 78. So negative 78, negative 12. How about dy? 1 times negative 6, 6 minus 6 times 12. That's gonna be 6 minus 12 times 6 equals 72. That's gonna be negative 66. So let's integrate our answer in dx equals negative 78 and dy equals negative 66. Negative 66, negative 12. So we need to simplify it and plug it in there to ensure it's the correct answer. It's gonna be 13 over 2. And this one's gonna be over 2 also. And let me just simplify negative 66. The answer is 11 over 2. 11, wait, 11 over 2. So the y is about 11 over 2. And x is equals 13 over 2.